So it is official. I'm standing in our meeting room that's reserved for the Cash Flow Your Life Real Estate Investing Bootcamp. 3 whole days, you guys. 3 days of MBA valued information that's really meant to transform your real estate investing business. Christine Baker and I will be going over everything we know, even the traditional real estate investing techniques, as well as the ones that are not so known, the ones that you don't know that you're leaving money on the table that's going to make you super duper successful. And on top of that, we are going to take you out on a bus tour and take you directly to the properties and actually have you apply everything that you learned inside those properties hands-on. It's going to be amazing. So here are all of our seats. Will you be joining us?